New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out fairly warm too this morning. Temperatures are in the low 40s right now, but as this cold front moves through this morning, they will drop into the 30s. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. Nothing happening right now. It is just mostly cloudy here over the city of Utica. But later on this morning, within 30 minutes or an hour, we will be starting to see some scattered showers along with this cold front moving through. Once that cold front does move through, it will turn mostly cloudy, but it will be mostly dry for the day today before some lake effect snow showers return overnight. Those showers will linger into tomorrow morning, but we will be drying out tomorrow afternoon, and we will remain dry for Thanksgiving Eve and for Thanksgiving. So here is the radar and satellite this morning. This is the cold front moving in from the west. So this will move into our area here this morning, but once this moves through, we will be mostly cloudy and mostly dry for the rest of the day. Temperatures this morning are warm on average. We are sitting in the lower 40s here this morning. We have 41 in Lowville, 42 in Rome, and going down into the southern valleys, they are in the upper 30s to 40s as well, 39 in Schenevus. Once again, as this cold front moves through, it will bring quite a wind chill as well. This is at 11 a.m. today. Temperatures will be in the 30s, but it will feel like it is in the 20s with that wind. Winds can reach up to 15 miles per hour today. Even later on, this is at 6:30 p.m. Temperatures will be in the low 30s, but it will feel like the low 20s, even the teens in some areas. So let's look at all of this on our Skycast. After that cold front moves through, it will remain mostly cloudy but dry for the rest of the day today. Lake effect snow showers will return for the overnight hours, but look to clear out by around 8 a.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow will remain mostly dry and mostly sunny throughout the day, and it will remain dry for the holiday. But again, mostly cloudy today as those showers do move through with temperatures in the 30s. Overnight tonight, we are dropping into the 20s, and those lake effect snow showers do come into our area. We will be dry for Thanksgiving Eve and for Thanksgiving before some rain returns Thursday after midnight, bringing in some mixed precipitation for Friday and some snow for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
So Utica City School District will hold their...
We're saying good morning to Remsen and all of the greater Utica region. Look at that snowfall that happened recently. We are going to be a bit windy here today as that cold front does move through. So we'll be windy today, winds up to 15 miles per hour. Turning breezy for tomorrow as lake effect snow showers still remain in the area, but then clearing out by the afternoon. For the holiday on Wednesday and Thursday, that wind will drop back down to just a light breeze. So here's the chance of snow. It is low here this morning, but it does go up to scattered after 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. tonight. It will drop back down to low after 7 a.m. tomorrow. So we will see some lake effect snow overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. The chance does remain low on tomorrow afternoon into the holiday. So here's just a look at our snowfall forecast so far. This is for 7 a.m. this morning to 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Little accumulation is expected. I am not expecting this to really stick, but up in northern part of Oneida County as well as just the North Country, 2 to 4 inches, could be up to 2 to 4 inches here just to the west of us, and a trace of to 2 for the rest of us around that is not in the blue. Again, I'm not really expecting this to stick. Little accumulation is expected. It is kind of going to be an overnight thing tonight. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The boil water advisory for the Barneveld Water District has...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out fairly warm this morning for the middle of November. Our temperatures are in the lower 40s. These temperatures will drop into the 30s after a cold front does move through, bringing in some precipitation. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. Right now, we are not seeing anything over Utica yet, just mostly cloudy skies here this morning. But we will see some scattered mixed showers here in about a half an hour or so. This will move through this morning and then kind of dry out by around 9 or 10 a.m. The lake effect snow does return in the overnight hours for the morning hours tomorrow as well. But we are drying out tomorrow afternoon, and we will remain dry for the holiday on Thanksgiving Eve on Wednesday and for Thanksgiving Day on Thursday. So let's take a look at our radar and satellite here this morning. This is the cold front that is moving through our area. It is moving in from the west. It is going to be short-lived, so this will bring a band of precipitation. Looks like it is mixed precipitation as well, especially for higher elevations. Little accumulation is expected, but this will move through and it will last about a couple of hours before clearing out later on this morning. Our temperatures right now are in the lower 40s. We're at 42 in Lowville, 43 in Rome, and going a bit further down south, upper 30s, lower 40s. We're at 38 right now in Skanevis. But I do want to point out the wind chill later on after this cold front does move through. It will be feeling like it is in the 20s at around 11:30 a.m. when temperatures are really going to be in the 30s. So about 10 degrees cooler. And then by 7 p.m., temperatures are going to feel like they were in the lower 20s, even the teens for some areas. So make sure you do bundle up today. It is going to feel quite chilly with that wind chill coming in. So on our Skycast, by 7 a.m., we see this cold front had already moved through. Temperatures are in the 30s. It will remain mostly cloudy for the day today. Temperatures dropping into the lower 30s by the evening. Overnight tonight is when our lake effect snow will start to come in. Little accumulation is expected, but this will last into the morning hours. It does look to clear out by 8 or 9 a.m. tomorrow. It will be mostly sunny throughout the rest of the day and will remain dry for the holiday. Before today, we have a high in the 40s. That is going to happen this morning. We will see some mixed precipitation later on. And overnight tonight, that is when our lake effect snow showers do start to come in with lows in the upper 20s. For your 7-day forecast, we see we are drying out for the afternoon hours tomorrow, and we will remain dry for the holiday before some precipitation does return on Friday and some snow for the weekend. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The live playoff rounds.
Welcome back. I know the big theme of this week is the holiday, so I did want to take a look on the outlook of what it is going to be like. So if you are traveling anytime on Thanksgiving Eve, it should be a good dry day to do this. In the morning, it is going to be mostly sunny with temperatures in the low 30s. By the evening, afternoon hours, we will see more clouds than sun, but it still will be dry with temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. And looking ahead to the actual day of Thanksgiving, we should remain dry as well. For the day on Thanksgiving, temperatures will be ranging in the 40s. We will be seeing more clouds than sun, but again, it will remain dry for Thanksgiving. That rain does not move in until after midnight on Friday morning. I'll have a look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The American Music
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting off fairly warm this morning for the middle of November with our temperatures in the lower 40s. This is going to change soon as we see some showers coming in. Let's take a look at our CAV tower camera. As you can see, this cold front is coming in, bringing in some windy conditions as well as some scattered showers here this morning. So we'll see scattered showers this morning. This is looking to clear out by around 10 or 11 a.m. after that cold front moves through, but that wind is going to stay for the day. Lake effect snow does return for the overnight hours and for the morning hours tomorrow, but we are going to dry out tomorrow afternoon and we will remain dry for the holiday the next 2 days. On the radar and satellite right now, we see this is the cold front moving through from the west. So this is moving through, bringing in some mixed precipitation here this morning. Some snow mixed in there. Little accumulation is expected. And this is all looking to move through within the next couple of hours by around 10 or 11 a.m. And it will be mostly cloudy this afternoon. I did want to point out our temperatures. They're in the lower 40s right now, 42 in Lowville, 42 in Rome. But this will drop into the 30s after this cold front does move through here this morning. This will also bring a wind chill. As we can see on our CAV tower cam, it was shaking. Winds today can get up to 15 miles per hour. So at 12 p.m., so around noon, temperatures will be in the mid-30s, but it will feel like it is in the 20s. And even in the evening hours at 7 p.m., temperatures will still be in the lower 30s, but it will feel like it is in the lower 20s. So it is going to feel about 10 degrees cooler than the actual temperature. So around 7 a.m., looks like this cold front has started to move through at this time. Temperatures dropped into the 30s, and it will be mostly cloudy but dry today. As we get into the overnight hours, here is when our lake effect snow showers do start to come in, but they all look to clear out at around 8 or 9 a.m. tomorrow. It will remain dry for the rest of the day tomorrow, even mostly sunny, and it will remain dry for the holiday. Before today, we had a high in the 40s. This happened already, and it will drop into the 30s later on. Before tonight, we will be dropping into the 20s for the low with those lake effect snow showers coming in. Like I said, we will be dry for Wednesday and for Thursday before some more mixed precipitation moves in for Friday and some snow for the weekend. Gary?
Hannah, thanks. The Utica City School District will...
We're saying good morning to Remsen and all of the greater Utica region. A look at the snow accumulation that had occurred last week. It will be quite windy out there today with this cold front moving through, turning breezy for tomorrow as we are going to be getting some lake effect snow showers in the morning hours, but it looks to die down to light for the holidays. So the chance of snow this morning is we are going to see a chance of snow. The chance goes up to scattered in the overnight hours tonight and the early morning hours tomorrow. Drops back down to low tomorrow at 8 a.m. and it will remain low for the rest of the day, and it will remain dry for the holiday on Thanksgiving Eve and Thanksgiving. Here's the snowfall forecast. This is valid 7 a.m. today to 7 a.m. tomorrow. We are going to be seeing some snow mixed in with that rain here this morning, as well as lake effect snow showers overnight and into tomorrow morning. Little accumulation is expected. I don't really expect this to kind of stick, but 1 to 3 inches in northern Oneida County, up kind of in the North Country, 1 to 3 inches just to the west of us, and a trace to 1 inch for the rest of us. I'll have a look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The boil water advisory for...
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are now starting to see some scattered showers here in our area. This will drop the temperature for the afternoon hours, but we will begin to dry out this afternoon. Let's take a look at our Cavie Tower camera. You can see those thick rain clouds in our sky. This is called stratocumulus clouds, and some raindrops on our camera here this morning. So we are going to be seeing those showers here this morning, as well as some snow, especially up in higher elevations. This will dry out for the afternoon. It will be mostly cloudy, but we will see some lake effect snow returning overnight and for the morning hours tomorrow. But we will be drying out tomorrow afternoon, and it will remain dry for the next 2 days for the holiday. Here is the radar and satellite showing the cold front moving through our area. Earlier this morning, our temperatures were in the mid-40s. They are now dropping rapidly down to the upper 30s. This is because this cold front is moving through, bringing in this band of precipitation. It is some snow for higher elevations and some rain for lower elevations here this morning. Again, temperatures were in the 40s this morning. These are all from earlier. We're at 45 in Yorkville, 40 in Glenmore, and going a bit further down south, we see 38 in Milford and Evanston. So temperatures were fairly warm for the middle of November this morning, but these temperatures will drop into the mid to lower 30s throughout the day. We also are going to be getting a little bit of a wind chill. Around noon, we'll feel about 10 degrees cooler than the actual temperature that is going to be in the upper 30s. And even later at 8 p.m., it is going to feel 10 degrees cooler still. So even though those temperatures will be in the lower 30s, it is going to feel like the lower 20s, even the teens for some areas. So just be careful of that for today. This cold front is expected to move out at around 10 or 11 a.m. for a mostly cloudy day today. Temperatures in the 30s. Lake effect snow does start overnight and will remain for the morning hours tomorrow. It does look to dry out and become sunny tomorrow afternoon, and it will remain dry for the holiday. Before today, we had a high in the lower 40s that happened earlier this morning. Will turn mostly cloudy after that rain clears out, and overnight tonight we will be getting some lake effect snow with lows in the 20s. We will be drying out tomorrow afternoon for Wednesday and for Thanksgiving. Some scattered precipitation returns Friday and some snow showers for the weekend. Gary?
Anna, thanks. An exciting night on NBC.
The lake effect snow showers that are going to be coming in overnight into tomorrow morning look to last only until tomorrow morning, and we are drying out for tomorrow afternoon and for Wednesday. So let's look at our Thanksgiving Eve day of travel. In the morning hours, it will be ranging in the lower to mid-30s, and it will be mostly sunny. We will see increasing clouds throughout the day, and highs will be in the upper 30s to lower 40s for partly sunny by the evening, and it will remain dry for this day of travel as well as on Thanksgiving Day itself. For the day of Thanksgiving, we are looking at temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, and we are going to be seeing more clouds than sun, but it will remain dry. That rain looks to hold off until after midnight on Friday morning. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The American Music Awards were
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are starting out this morning with some scattered mixed showers here in our area. As this cold front does move through, it will drop the temperature for the rest of the day. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We do see right now those stratocumulus clouds bringing some rain into our area, as well as some raindrops on our camera. So we'll be seeing these showers here this morning. This does look to clear out within the next couple of hours for a dry afternoon. We will see some lake effect snow showers returning in the overnight hours tonight and will last for tomorrow morning. We will dry out for the afternoon tomorrow and remain dry for the holiday. Let's take a look at our radar and satellite to show the path of precipitation right now. This is due to a cold front moving through our area. It is moving west to east and is expected to only last for a couple more hours, totally clearing out by around 10 or 11 a.m. this morning. We are seeing some snow up in the North Country as well as just the northern part of Oneida County, a little bit in the southern valleys as well. So it is just some mixed precipitation here this morning. Our Skywatcher reports are from earlier. We're ranging in the mid-40s. We have now dropped into the upper 30s and will continue to drop in temperature throughout the rest of the day as that cold front did move through our area. So we have 40 in Glenmore, 45 in Yorkville, going a bit down to the southern valleys, 36 in Cooperstown, 38 in Milford here this morning. As we see this cold front move through, we will clear up for a mostly cloudy day today. Temperatures in the 30s. Lake effect snow does return for the overnight and morning hours tomorrow. This does look to end at around 8 or 9 a.m. tomorrow for a mostly sunny day and temperatures in the 30s. Before today, we had a high in the lower 40s. That already happened this morning. We will be in the 30s for the rest of the day. And overnight tonight, lake effect snow showers come in with lows in the 20s. We will remain dry in the afternoon hours tomorrow and for the holiday before some mixed precipitation comes back in for Friday and some snow for the weekend. Gary?
Hannah, thanks. The boil water.
Welcome back. We are seeing some scattered showers here this morning. That is looking to clear out later on this morning. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing mixed precipitation. This all looks to clear out within the next couple of hours. Our temperature at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is 40 degrees, but I did want to look at the wind chill. It does feel like it is 33 degrees in Rome. This is because that wind speed is coming in from the west at 13 miles per hour. So it is going to be quite a windy day out there today, even after this cold front does move through, and it will feel a bit chillier than the actual temperature. For the rest of the day, we will be drying out for the afternoon, mostly cloudy and temperatures in the 30s, feeling like temperatures are going to be in the 20s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica City School District will hold their next public meeting tonight on its...
Welcome back. We are seeing some showers moving through our area. On our Mesonet cameras across New York State, we do see almost all of our areas have overcast skies and are seeing precipitation here this morning. So if you are going to be out driving today, it should be fine after these scattered showers move through this morning. It will be dry and mostly cloudy in the afternoon. So we have a high in the lower 40s. That already happened earlier this morning. We will see those showers in the morning, and then overnight tonight, a low in the 20s, and we will be seeing some lake effect snow come in. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. One of our more travel heading out and getting a turkey in Utica today. Here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are seeing some scattered snow showers here this afternoon, especially if you do live in the North Country. And looks like it is going to be coming into the Mohawk Valley within the next couple of hours. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, we are seeing some few light snow showers, especially north of Rome and in the Old Forge area here this afternoon. Right now, the Mohawk Valley is looking dry as well as the southern valleys. But again, we will continue to see lake effect snow in the overnight hours and for tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our Mesonet cameras across New York State, looking like there is no real accumulation happening here right now. But of course, this could still change in the overnight hours. Here is what we are thinking of the snowfall. About 1 to 3 inches is expected to the north and to the west of us. And for the rest of us, for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys, a trace to 1 inch of snow is expected. And this is valid for today until tomorrow morning. For the rest of the day, light snow showers in the area, temperatures in the 30s, and I'll be tracking out this snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The death toll.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing some scattered snow showers, especially up into the North Country here this afternoon. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. Here in the Mohawk Valley, we are just seeing mostly cloudy skies out here with maybe a snow flurry or two. So for this afternoon, we are going to be seeing some light snow showers. The heavier lake effect snow doesn't really move in until the evening and overnight hours, and this will last until the morning hours tomorrow. We will dry out tomorrow afternoon, and we will be dry for Wednesday and for Thanksgiving Day for the holidays. Let's take a look now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, this is some lake effect snow starting a little bit earlier than I expected it to, but it is happening up in the North Country here this afternoon and the northern part of Oneida County. Nothing really happening in Mohawk Valley so far or the southern valleys. We are going to be seeing some light snow showers throughout the day today. Here's the radar and satellite showing that we do have a west wind, so this is blowing over Lake Ontario, kind of bringing in those snow showers into our area here this afternoon. This snow is light now, but it could become moderate in the overnight hours tonight. I did want to point out at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, they are measuring a wind speed from the west at 14 miles per hour. So this, in my book, is a bit heavy. It is trending a little bit heavier further down south of Rome as well. So we are going to be getting a wind chill from that this afternoon. Our temperature at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is at 37 degrees, but if we look at the wind chill, this is the feels like temperature. It feels like 28 degrees. So wherever you are, it is feeling around 10 degrees cooler. So make sure you do bundle up if you are getting ready to head outside later on today. So it is mostly cloudy in most of our areas with a few lake effect snow showers to the north. The heavier bands don't really pick up until the overnight hours, and they will kind of move further down into the south as well. By around 7 or 8 a.m. tomorrow, we should be starting to dry out. Temperatures only in the 30s for the high tomorrow. We'll be fully dried out by the evening. If we're looking ahead to Wednesday, that wind does die down and that temperature will rise to the mid-40s for the high on Wednesday. We'll be mostly sunny out there, so it is going to be dry and a great day if you are planning to travel for the holiday. Before today, we had our high earlier in the morning as that cold front did move through this morning, which was in the lower 40s. Now we are trending in the mid-30s. Some light snow showers are happening out there. And as we get into tomorrow, we will be seeing those snow showers clearing up, and we will be seeing sun later on in the afternoon and evening hours with a high only in the 30s. Looking ahead to the holiday on Wednesday, our high will be a little bit warmer in the 40s. We'll be mostly sunny and dry for your day of travel. Same thing goes for Thursday. We are going to be seeing some sunshine, a little bit warmer too, almost near 50 for the high. Some rain does move in Thursday after midnight, so this will not come in on Thursday. We'll be seeing some mixed precipitation on Friday, and snow returns for the weekend. Gary?
Well, that turkey is moving.
Yeah, he's running.
Check that out.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks with the CDC and just Hannah Evans joins us now with the answer to that. Hey there, Hannah.
Hey, Gary. So right now we are seeing some snow here in the area, especially in the North Country here this afternoon. Let's take a look at that Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing some snow, especially in the northern part of Oneida County, including Rome and Boonville, as well as up in the Old Forge area. It is slowly moving into the Mohawk Valley this afternoon, but the southern valleys are staying dry. So here is our snowfall forecast. We are expecting 1 to 3 inches for the northern part of Oneida County as well as the North Country, and just to the west of us, a trace to 1 inch is expected everywhere else. Now back to your holiday travel. If you're traveling on Thanksgiving Eve on Wednesday, it is going to be dry and partly sunny on that day. Temperatures will be in the 30s to 40s, so it should stay dry on Wednesday, and it is going to be dry on Thursday too. So we really lucked out this year with 2 good days. But for today, we are still seeing some snow in the area. Temperatures are ranging in the 30s, and I'll be tracking the snow coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. If you're looking to get your first dose
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing some light lake effect snow showers, especially up north here this afternoon. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. Here in Utica, we are just seeing mostly cloudy skies. Most of the areas that are not seeing snow are seeing mostly cloudy skies. But if you are seeing snow, it is just some light lake effect snow showers this afternoon. Lake effect snow really picks up in the overnight hours, but this will end around 8 or 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, and it will be drying out for tomorrow and will remain dry for the holiday on Wednesday and on Thursday. So let's look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing some snow showers now and kind of in most of Oneida County, not really here in Utica at this moment, up in the Old Forge area as well as the Boonville area. Nothing in the southern valleys yet, but again, this band is moving to the west, so we will be seeing all of this later on. Here is the radar and satellite showing that we are getting a west wind here this afternoon. This is blowing over Lake Ontario, kind of forming these lake effect snow showers, and it will kind of move into our area throughout the afternoon and the overnight hours. This will only last until the morning hours tomorrow, then it will start to dry up. We are seeing quite a bit of a wind speed right now. We are seeing a west wind at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. This is coming in at 14 miles per hour. In my book, that is pretty windy. That green shading is even a little bit windier, so just be careful if you are going outside today. It is going to feel a bit cooler. So we're at 37 degrees right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome, but it does feel like 28 degrees. So it is feeling about 10 degrees cooler than the actual temperature wherever you are. So make sure you do bundle up if you're getting ready to head outside. For our skycast, we are seeing some lake effect snow showers this afternoon. This will really begin to pick up in the overnight hours, lows dropping into the 20s. Upon waking up tomorrow, this should all be cleared out at around 8 or 9 a.m. Those clouds will continue to decrease too, and we will see temperatures Tuesday into Wednesday dropping into the 20s, so it is going to feel a bit chilly. But as we get into Wednesday, it will be a mostly sunny and dry day. Temperatures in the low 40s for the high. And even on Thursday, temperatures are going to be in the mid 40s for the high. So we really lucked out on Thanksgiving this year. Before today, we had our high earlier in the day before the cold front this morning passed through, which was in the 40s. Now we are seeing temperatures ranging in the 30s. Light snow showers are out there this afternoon, and tomorrow morning that snow will start to clear up, and we will see some sunshine tomorrow with a high in the mid-30s. For the 7-day forecast, we are dry for Thanksgiving Eve and for Thanksgiving, highs in the 40s. On Friday, some mixed precipitation does come in the early morning hours at around 2 or 3 a.m. That will last for the day on Friday, and some snow returns for the weekend with highs only in the lower 30s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The State Department of Motor Vehicles is reminding New Yorkers to register their snowmobiles before hitting the trails this season. If you haven't already, your registrations can be renewed online through dmv.ny.gov, also by mail or in person at your local DMV office. Snowmobile registrations must be renewed annually, and all snowmobiles operated in New York State must be registered and marked with a valid sticker. Snowmobilers must always carry registration and proof of insurance documents on them when riding. Non-New Yorkers who want to ride here in the state can still register a snowmobile if it is already registered in their home state. The last service was held.
Just Bill Cardis, so in the next day or so, people are going to be hitting the roads or boarding a plane.
And, you know, the weather, once again, not really looking too bad. I mean, considering this is a very active time of the year, typically, we should really get a nice break here weather-wise. We are going to be diving into that travel forecast a little bit later in the newscast. But I do want to talk about what's happening this evening. We do have a couple of travel concerns. We are tracking some lake effect snow that's expected to impact the entire area, but where the snowfall is a little bit steadier than others is northern Oneida County and Lewis County, these areas under a winter weather advisory. But again, just about all of us will see some scattered snow showers here as we head into this evening. The bands of snow are developing to the north across northern Oneida County. You can see some of the dark blues on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is slowly going to push southward as we head into this evening, so it does impact the Mohawk Valley. Current temperature is 32 degrees. And again, as we head into this evening, we are tracking that lake effect snow. Not a lot of accumulation, but again, some impacts here for travel. We're taking a look at a pretty chilly week ahead. Look at that forecast that's coming out. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. We're following breaking.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some lake effect snow showers that will be developing and moving through our area tonight. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cav Tower cam. You can see some breaks in the overcast, seeing some sunshine today, but it was mostly cloudy. And the weather was somewhat unsettled. This is, again, looking to the south. Looking to the north, we can see some lake effect snow developing. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Bands of snow forming along northern Oneida and southern Lewis counties. And as we head into tonight, the wind direction changes from the west to the north. And so a band of lake effect snow will move across most of our area, beginning across the North Country, dropping into the Mohawk Valley between about 6 to 10 p.m. this evening, and then pushing to the south and west heading into tonight. So the band's moving around, which means just about everybody sees some snow, but it doesn't stick around in one particular spot for too long, just producing a quick inch or two of accumulation. The wind outlook tomorrow, a windy day, a break from the winds Wednesday and Thursday, and then winds kick up again on Friday. And the wind really due to pushes of cold weather. Local temperatures this evening, it is pretty chilly out there. Lowville 32 degrees, Rome 32, as well as Whitesboro. Little Falls checking in with 34. Across southern valleys, Sherburne 33, Skenevis 30, and Norwich with 32 degrees. If you have to take the dog out for a walk this evening, again, do be on the lookout for some snow showers and just a cold evening ahead with temperatures in the low 30s. Tonight's featured dog is Marley, and if you want to be part of this, head to Facebook and just search for Bill's Buddies. That's where you can go to post pictures used during this segment of the newscast. This is brought to you by Staffworks. Temperature trend. It does warm up. We'll climb into the upper 40s here by Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, the warmest day of the next 7. Temperatures will be in the low 30s again by Saturday. A radar and satellite image showing cold air in place, producing some lake effect snow showers. The wind direction changes, and again, the band of snow will be pushing to the west. This is what we're looking at for accumulation tonight. Again, most areas pick up an inch or two of accumulation. The steadiest accumulation looks to be west of Utica, 1 to 3 inches of snowfall possible overnight and into tomorrow morning. You can see that band of snow dropping southward this evening, and again, it does come to an end as we head into tonight. Still seeing some snow showers here near midnight. South and west of Utica, but the weather does dry out. We'll see some sunshine tomorrow. It's a chilly day with the wind feeling like the low 30s. Tomorrow night, the weather remains mostly clear. We're expecting overnight lows to drop down into the teens tomorrow night. And then heading into the big travel day, Wednesday, the weather is looking nice or dry. Temperatures climb into the low 40s. Tonight, lake effect snow showers will clear out late, low of 23. Sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid-30s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the low 40s on Wednesday. Thursday looking dry, mostly cloudy, windy and chilly on Friday with some light snow. Snow showers Saturday. Temperatures in the 30s by Sunday and Monday. We're taking a look at the travel cast coming up in just a couple of minutes. All right.
All right, Bill, thank you. After a COVID hiatus, the city of Rome and
Meteorologist Bill Curtis, and obviously we're talking about travel, and this year we're looking at some nice weather for those.
Yeah, especially Wednesday, Thursday, the quietest days of the week. We are tracking some lake effect snow this evening, but for those that are traveling Wednesday or Thursday, the weather is expected to be dry across our area, and we're looking at temperatures in the low 40s. So pretty seasonable weather for the big travel day Wednesday, and then if you're traveling locally Thursday, things are looking quiet as well. Not so much the case this evening. We are going to be tracking a quick round of lake effect snow. It's not expected to produce a lot of accumulation, but it could be just enough to make things slippery for the evening, especially if you're going to be driving between 6 to 10 p.m. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're expecting this band of snow to gradually drop southward as we head into the next 1 to 2 hours. And again, A quick burst of snow is expected this evening with temperatures in the low 30s. A chilly, breezy day tomorrow, but the temperatures will be warming up as we head into the holiday. Look at that forecast coming out. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. IT.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking lake effect snow showers that will impact folks that are driving over the next 1 to 2 hours north of the Mohawk Valley this evening. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Cabby Tower Cam, and we're overlooking the city of Utica. Things are quiet for now in the Mohawk Valley, but again, we are tracking some snow that's expected to impact the area as we head into tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. What you're seeing here, bands of lake effect snow moving across the North Country. The winds right now are westerly, but as we head into this evening, the winds turn into the northwest and eventually turn into the north. And so what that is going to do is it's going to bring this band of snow southward and then eventually to the west. So just about everybody will see some snow accumulation heading into this evening and early tonight. But because the winds are moving, the band of snow is not going to stay in one area for very long. So widespread snow, but accumulations will be generally on the later side. Still, a quick inch or two of snow is possible this evening, especially west of Utica. It could be just enough to make a few roadways slippery. Overnight, the snow heads to the west, and by the morning, this is all done, and we're looking at partly sunny skies here as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Curtis Corners, 29 degrees. Alder Creek, 29. Barneville, 30 degrees. John and Schuyler, 29. Across the Southern Valleys, Cooperstown, 32. Worcester, 31. West Lawrence, 32. And Whitesboro, Kirsten checks in with 32 degrees. The weather does turn warmer for the middle of the week, just in time for Thanksgiving. I'm looking at temperatures in the upper 40s that day, but it does get colder again as we head into the weekend as the next wave of low pressure moves in and brings us some light snow heading into Friday. Again, tonight, tracking this band of lake effect snow, again expected to drop southward as the winds turn into the northwest. The weather will be drying out as we head into tomorrow afternoon. A general trace to 2 inches of snow is expected this evening and early tonight. 1 to 3 inches of snow possible west and north of Utica, where the bands will be a little bit better organized closer to the lakes. And again, this takes us through tomorrow morning. Tracking that band of snow, Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, again near the Mohawk Valley around 7 p.m. and then dropping southward throughout the course of this evening. By 1 o'clock in the morning, bands of snow over Madison County and then heading to the west towards Syracuse. Tomorrow morning, sunshine, chilly. Temperatures start out in the 20s, and it's looking to be a cold but generally sunny Tuesday afternoon with temperatures in the low to mid 30s. Clear skies tomorrow night. I think overnight lows tomorrow night get down into the teens. So one of the coldest nights so far this season. And then Wednesday, plenty of sunshine. Great day for travelers, at least locally, really into the Northeast too, with temperatures in the low 40s. Snow showers tonight, low of 23. Nice day tomorrow, but cold. Partly sunny and breezy. Temperatures in the mid-30s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. The winds become lighter on Wednesday. Thanksgiving looking nice weather-wise. 47 for the high. There will be another wave of low pressure that brings rain Thanksgiving night, turning over to snow on Friday. Some accumulation, windy and cold. Snow showers Saturday. Temperatures in the 30s as we look ahead to Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.
For a first look at the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Keeping an eye on lake effect snow this evening. There will be some accumulation, generally north and west of Utica, but we do expect to see snow showers for just about the entire area as winds turn from the west to the north heading into this evening. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The bands of snow are generally north of the Mohawk Valley, at least the steadier snow. This is expected to drop southward as we head into this evening. Again, we're thinking a quick inch or two of snow for many areas west of Utica. Current temperature is 32 degrees, a northwest wind at 10 miles an hour. Again, tracking some lake effect snow showers tonight. Sunshine returns tomorrow. The weather does warm up, and we're looking at great traveling conditions for Wednesday and Thanksgiving. So just in time for the big holiday. This evening, lake effect snow showers, temperatures in the 30s. We're tracking that temperature trend. Look at the forecasts coming up. Kristen, back to you.
A 25-year-old from Rome is arrested.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to keep an eye on the lake this evening. Some lake effect snow showers are developing, and they will impact many areas in the Mohawk Valley and Southern Valleys heading into tonight. Let's take a live look at our Cat Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. Things are looking quiet for the moment. This band of lake effect snow is across the North Country on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And again, what we're expecting to take place this evening is the winds change direction. So currently the winds are moving from west to east. Over the next few hours, the winds turn into the northwest, and this band drops south into the Mohawk Valley. By tomorrow morning, the winds are from the north. So in general, this band of lake effect snow will be gradually moving across the area. So just about everybody will see some snow with this, but the overall snowfall accumulation looks generally light because the winds will be moving this band throughout the course of this evening and tonight. As far as travel impact, again, the highest impact to travel will be late this evening and early tonight with a quick inch or two of snowfall, generally west of Utica. Skywatchers this evening, temperatures in the 20s for many areas. Alder Creek 29, Schuyler 29, Paynes Hollow 32. Across the Southern Valleys, Frankfort 33 degrees, Hartwick 29, Helen and Cassville with 30 degrees. Temperatures are going to warm up into the 40s again by Wednesday and Thursday. Traveling conditions look great for Wednesday as well as Thanksgiving Day. The next weather system to bring any impact on travel aside from this evening looks to be Thanksgiving night and into early Friday. Radar and satellite image showing lake effect snow showers moving into the area tonight. A general trace to 2 inches of snow for most areas, including the Mohawk Valley and Southern Valleys. An inch or two of accumulation is expected west of Utica as we head into tonight. Again, this happens pretty quickly, so even though this is a relatively light accumulation, it only takes place in about 1 to 3 hours for most areas. That band of lake effect snow near the Mohawk Valley around 7 p.m., then drifting south and west. And by 1 o'clock in the morning, it's generally south and west of Utica, then heading out of the area as we head into Tuesday. A sunny, cold Tuesday is expected. We'll start out with temperatures in the 20s. We'll climb into the mid-30s with sunshine throughout most of the day. Clear skies tomorrow night, a cold one. Many areas will fall into the teens heading into Wednesday morning. For the big travel day, no issues weather-wise. It's sunny and it's cold, at least in the morning. Temperatures will climb into the low 40s in the afternoon. Lake effect snow showers tonight, low of 23. Tomorrow, return to sunshine, breezy, temperatures in the mid-30s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, dry on Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures in the 40s. Rain turns over to some snow showers Friday. It's windy and it's much colder as we head into the start of the weekend.
We'll take the travel.
Yeah,
Could be
seriously.
nice.
I know, focus on the good.
That's right.
All right,
Bill,
thanks,
thank you.
Still to come on News Channel 2 with the forecast. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. What can we expect for travel conditions this week?
Travel conditions look great. We're looking at pretty quiet weather. The exception would be tonight. If you are heading out tonight, we do have a winter weather advisory for northern Oneida County. We're tracking some lake effect snow this evening. The snow is very localized and it will continue to impact the western part of Oneida County over the next couple of hours. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And again, a quick burst of snow is possible as we head into the next few hours. The lake effect snow will be coming to an end as we head into tonight as the wind direction changes and the bands head west. Current temperature is 30 degrees, a west wind at around 6 miles an hour. Looking ahead to the big travel day, Wednesday should be a pretty decent day across upstate New York and into New England. Looking at temperatures in the low 40s with sunshine, and again, no travel issues expected across a large portion of the Northeast. Snow showers tonight down into the low 20s. We're tracking a little bit of light snow tonight and a cold start to the day tomorrow. We'll have to look at the conditions at the bus stop, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight, Assemblywoman Marion Buttonshaw hosted the...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Our Cat Tower Cam is looking over the city of Utica. The lights are not quite as bright this evening because we're seeing some snow falling, and that is obstructing visibility, at least somewhat. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Here's the band of lake effect snow settling into the Mohawk Valley. The band not extending very much past Utica. But as you head to the west, it is snowing a lot harder. Snowfall rates in this band about a ½ inch per hour. Nothing we haven't heard of, nothing that's going to cause any big issues, but snow-covered roadways are to be expected if you're traveling this evening, especially west of Utica. That lake effect snow band will be dropping south and to the west heading into tomorrow morning. As skies clear out before daybreak, a frost is expected to settle in, and give yourself a couple of minutes to scrape that off the car windshield. And if it's not the frost, it'll likely be a little bit of light snow as well, especially if those of you living south and west of Utica. Looking for sunshine the next couple of days? Well, you got it. Tuesday, Wednesday looking pretty good. We should see partly to mostly sunny skies. Thursday, mostly cloudy. And then Friday, it starts to turn gloomy again with overcast conditions. Temperatures will warm up. We'll be into the 40s on Wednesday and into the upper 40s Thursday. Traveling weather looks nice as well. It's going to be a cold one tomorrow, though. We're looking at that band of lake effect snow dropping to the south as the wind direction changes. So tonight, there will be just a very light coating of snow from this band of lake effect. But if you're heading to the west, we do expect to see some snow accumulation towards the Syracuse area. 1 to 3 inches of snowfall expected by tomorrow morning as the lake effect snow comes to an end. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, bands of snow again pushing to the west. Looking at a north wind throughout the day tomorrow. We'll start out with mostly clear skies, sunshine, a cold, blustery afternoon, but it will be a sunny day. Temperatures in the 30s, wind chills in the 20s. It's cold tomorrow night. We're down into the teens. Heading into Wednesday, the big travel day, no problems weather-wise. Looking at plenty of sunshine across the board. A nice recovery, too. We go from teens to 40s in the afternoon. Tonight, tracking that band of lake effect snow, low of 23. Tomorrow, sunshine, breezy, chilly, high of 35. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Breezy conditions again tomorrow. The wind's back off for Wednesday and Thursday. Thanksgiving looks really nice, a high of 47. Actually, the warmest day of the week, too. The weather does change. We're looking at some rain Thursday night, changing over to snow on Friday, windy and much colder as we head into the weekend. We'll be right back.
For a first look at the forecast tonight, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis tracking snow out there right now.
Yeah, tracking that band of lake effect snow that continues to make its way through the Mohawk Valley this evening. A winter weather advisory remains in effect for northern Oneida County. We're all experiencing some snow, but the northern half of Oneida County getting a little bit more than other places. Here's where the band is locally, moving across the Mohawk Valley on its way to the south and west. We're seeing a wind shift, winds going from the west to the north. And again, that band will continue to march across a good portion of our area as we head into tonight, as well as late tonight through very early tomorrow morning. Current temperature is 30 degrees, west wind around 6 miles an hour with light snow being reported at Griffiths. The snow comes to an end. In fact, traveling Wednesday should be great. We're not looking at any travel troubles whatsoever across the Northeast. Not only New York State, but into New England. Sunny skies, temperatures in the 40s for most areas. So again, some good news there. Even Thanksgiving should be pretty nice. Tonight, tracking that snow, low 23. We're taking a look at the temperature trend and also how cold it is as the kids head off to school tomorrow morning. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. New tonight.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are taking a live look outside. This is our CAV TerraCam, and you can see some snow on the ground here on Smith Hill. We picked up about a quick inch of snow here this evening, and it is coming to an end, at least here on the hill. But we are noticing that band of snow is still continuing in parts of the area. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. These bands of snow are coming off of Lake Ontario. This is lake effect snow. Winds at the moment are turning. They were westerly earlier today with the band of snow to the north. The winds have turned into the northwest, and this band of snow is dropping south. You can see a closer look at this snow. It's generally along the New York State Thruway for now. It is heading to the south, and the snow will be gradually coming to an end for most of the area as we head into tonight. A little bit of a light frost. In addition to brushing snow off your car windshield tomorrow morning, you might also have a little bit of light frost too. So you might want to budget in an extra minute or two to take care of that in the morning. This is a central New York worthy graphic here. Looking for sunshine. Looks like our best days would be tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday, a few breaks, and then We're back into overcast skies heading into Friday. But again, a couple of breaks of sunshine to enjoy here over the next couple of days. It'll be cold tomorrow, though. Temperatures only in the mid-30s, but we warm up. Wednesday should be a nice day, the pick of the week with light winds. Even Thanksgiving looks pretty nice, too. Just more cloud cover, 47. And then we get cold again Friday and Saturday with temperatures back into the 30s. Again, tracking that band of lake effect snow as winds turn tonight. The winds turn northerly overnight, so that band of snow will continue to settle to the west and move out of our area heading into tonight. So this is what we're expecting for an accumulation. Again, a light accumulation for most areas, but heading to the west, there could be an inch or two of very fluffy snowfall west of Utica by tomorrow morning. Again, tracking that lake effect snow, again, pushing to the south. Tomorrow morning, we're back to sunshine. It'll be cold. Temperatures start out in the 20s, even some teens up to the north. It looks like a beautiful day tomorrow, though. Cold, breezy, but sunny and dry. High temperatures climb into the mid-30s. The wind chill values will be in the 20s, so dress nice and warm. Tomorrow night, the winds lighten up. Skies remain mostly clear. I think that most areas get down into the teens heading into Wednesday morning. So a cold start to the day. Wednesday looks great. Again, the pick of the week, a cold start, but a nice recovery. Temperatures climb back into the low 40s. Lake effect snow showers tonight down to 23. Tomorrow, partly sunny, breezy, a high of 35. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast will warm up Wednesday into the low 40s, upper 40s on Thanksgiving with mostly cloudy skies. Some rain turning over to snow heading into Friday. Temperatures cool off into the 30s by the weekend. We'll be right back.